coach, wig educator, and wig retailer here on YouTube. I am the owner operator of Tia Maria Wigs, and you can find me at tmwigs.com. Today I have something special for you. I have some synthetic hair accessories for you. And what I love about these is that you can use them with your synthetic wigs or your bio hair or your human hair wigs, but we're talking about synthetic today. You can use them with your synthetic wigs to take it up a notch. I know a lot of you who are wearing wigs may actually not be super versed in styling. Maybe you didn't style your bio hair that much. Maybe you had a type or length or thickness of hair that didn't allow for that. So this is a great way to do styling without having to really take a lot of time and effort, and it's going to look like you did take a lot of time and effort. So it's just going to step your wig game up so much. So today we have the Pop by Hairdo, okay, and this is the wavy wrap, and she is in the color R1416T, which is buttered toast. Okay, this is what she looks like, and she's just like on a scrunchie. So really quickly, one thing you can do is say you just want something quick and easy and you want maybe just an updo. What we're going to do is we're going to put this on, wrap it around, we're going to pull it through, okay? And then we are just going to, of course, I can't see what I'm doing, but we can then, you know, either pin this up, and we can make this a gorgeous updo. It's going to feel very secure. And there you go, lickety split. Use a little wig wax to keep the bangs out of the way. This is Main Attractions Vamp in the color Toffee. Put a little pin right here, and then you're all set. And then say you wanted to step it up a notch, you could take one of these large bendable barrettes, put it right here on this side for decoration. And oh my gosh, you have a beautiful updo, really quick. Obviously, I didn't secure and pin and all that, but I just wanted to show you how quick and easy you can do this. You could also do where you just do all of this part, okay? Bring it back and, you know, put it right here, and then you have it back here. You can do any of those types of things. I also have her here in the color R10, which is chestnut, and you can see this, the gorgeous dark chestnut color there. So I carry these on my website, or you can message me to order in whatever colors are available. But this is a great way to sort of step up your synthetic wig wearing and take things to the next level. So that is what I have for you. This is, again, the Pop by Hairdo Wavy Wrap. I have her in the color R1416T. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just put this top part back with her, then we can get going. You can find me again at tmwigs.com. Look at that. And the color doesn't have to be an exact match or anything like that. Look how cute. So easy. tmwigs.com, Tia Maria, wavy wrap. You should get it.